All right, so to download the free and pro version, you'll need to be logged in with an account. Now, the free version, of course, you can get for free. I'm going to head over to Plugins, Tutor LMS, and to get it, I give them my email address, or I can just say, no thanks, I want to download the plugin. Now, this is the free version. You'll need both versions in order to get the pro version to work. The pro version is an add-on to the free version. Well, the pro version is easy. It's right here. Go to my dashboard and download the pro version just like that. Once I've got those downloaded, they install like any other WordPress plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New. Now again, if I search for Tutor LMS, I can just install the free version from here. You'll see it was last updated 2 days ago at the time of this recording, or I can just simply upload. When I install the free version, it gives me this little notification that I can upgrade to Pro. Well, I'm just going to add the Pro version now. And as I mentioned, exactly the same way as you install any other plugin. Once those are installed and activated, you'll notice there's a brand new menu item here called Tutor LMS Pro, where I can look at courses, categories, tags, students, instructors, Q&A, quiz attempts, withdrawal requests. We'll look at all of these as we go. I need to insert my Tutor Pro license, and until I do, I won't get any plugin updates and support. And there we go. So installing Tutor LMS Pro, really simple. Install the free version and the pro version, and you'll be good to go.